For the last month and a half, in Wildlives class, we've worked with children across Providence to investigate the Guatemalan rainforest. We've built cameras, decided where to put them and what animals to look for, built maps of the rainforest, illustrated animals, designed experiments to investigate animal behavior, and told stories about the animals we've found. Now, it's time to come back to Providence, where we bring everyone together for our final class. We invite our students, their families, and the whole Providence community to come out for a showcase of student work and a celebration of Guatemalan nature and culture. It is an incredible thing to have dedicated young people learning about our planet, and their work deserves to be shared and celebrated by the whole community. This summer's class is coming to an end, but observing, understanding, and telling stories about nature is something that all of you can do for your entire wild lives.